Добрый день! In this video we're going to count things and people from 1 to 4, and you already know the first 4 numbers. You actually know many more. So now we're going to see how один, два, три, четыре are used with nouns. And I have this little table here. On the left hand side we have 3 nouns to represent 3 genders in Russian. So brat represents masculine words that end in a consonant. Сестра ends in a to represent feminine words that end in a or ya. And then кресло is here for neuter words that end in o or ye. And then at the top I have один, два, три, четыре, but I've also included the word нет to remind you how this word is used in sentences. And we're almost ready to get started with the table. The last thing to look at, to remember, is the genitive case endings. So masculine and neuter words in the genitive case end in a or ya, most of the time a. And feminine words end in y or I, most of the time y. So now we're ready to go back to the table and look at it together. So I'm going to use this Russian keyboard, and first we're going to fill out this first column that says нет. Нет is one of those words that does not change regardless of what noun it's used with. So we can safely put нет in all of these columns. Нет. And then to finish, we need to remember that the word нет, when used in sentences, is used with genitive case for words that name the person or thing that is not there, that's missing or absent. So masculine and neuter nouns, just like we've just reviewed together, will have a ending. So I'm going to say, if I want to say I don't have a brother, у меня нет брата, with a ending. And also a ending for neuter words. If I don't have a chair in my place, у меня нет кресла. If I don't have a sister, feminine words drop their a ending and take y ending instead. So I don't have a sister, у меня нет сестры. Like that. Alright, I'm going to tell you about the word один, which has gender. And when you look at this word, the standard form of this word, it ends in a consonant. So you can probably guess that this is the masculine form of this word. Just like masculine nouns end in a consonant, один ends in a consonant in its masculine form. So it's safe to use this form of this word with masculine words. So if I want to say I have one brother, у меня один брат. У меня один брат, у меня есть один брат. If I want to say I have one sister, один will change to its feminine form, which is одна, which is kind of consistent with the endings of feminine nouns, а я. So I have one sister, у меня есть одна сестра. And finally, let's say I have one chair. У меня есть, and then the ending is о, just like neuter nouns have ое ending. So у меня есть одно кресло. And this is all for now. In the next video we'll keep counting. We'll go all the way to 4. До свидания.